Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to show you this super cool and little bit of a different technique of how to transfer images onto your junk journal. Now this is actually a body art tattoo and it's really cool because I'm using this in my boho journal, and I bought it from Primark. It was £2 and the image was, I've cut it in half basically. It came with a border like this for around your wrist and two of these type of images here. So I actually just transferred half of that onto my junk journal. It's metallic, so that's why it's got that really shiny look. So I'm going to transfer the other half, and I thought I'd do it on the back of this page here. And it is literally just like transferring a tattoo. So you just peel. I tried not to do it on the back of a digital page because you do have to wet it as you do with a tattoo. I say a tattoo, but you know, as if you was applying this to your body. So I'm just going to stick that down there. As you can see, guys, I'm in the middle of crafting here, and all I'm going to do is, this is just a slightly damp washcloth. I'm just going to dampen that all over the back of the tattoo. It didn't transfer very well in the middle, so I'm going to just make that a little bit wetter. There we go. It's kind of like those rub-on stickers that you used to get, but I know that, you know, festival season, party season, you get such cool body art tattoos, and they are quite affordable. You know, you might be able to get them online and stuff like that. You might even have them lying around like I did with this one. I thought, I know where I can use that. I could even put that one down there. Shall I put it down the middle there? Yeah, why not? Get them to match. So I'll put that one down that side. So I'll just put that in the middle there. Give it a good firm press. Then get your wet cloth. You don't want it too wet. This is just slightly moistened. And then just keep giving it a good press down. I might actually, if you can, I'm not sure if you can quite see on this, but it's much more damp there than it is further down, and I don't want anything to not come through, because I'd hate for that to happen, that I do one attempt, it just a fluke, and then I turn on the camera and it doesn't actually work. So it does say to leave it on for a minute when you're doing it on your body. So let me just start peeling it back. I'd say that's been about a minute, and it has actually transferred, so I'll just start peeling it back. Wow. That is so cool. There's only a tiny little bit left on there, which I don't mind. I might just see if I can transfer it onto somewhere else. Give it a bit of blingy gold. No, it's not transferring. But look at that, that is so cool. And it is super shiny, don't get me wrong. But I just think that's beautiful in boho journals or anything that you might be able to get designs. Now let's have a look. Wow, this one's cool too. This one doesn't show up as well because it's on the craft colour, but look at that, that's beautiful. I just love those forward looks. So I thought I'd pop on. I'm super happy that that's actually worked out. It was just a little experiment that I wanted to try. So sorry the lighting is off and, you know, it's in my natural craft setup. But as with my previous videos, I was just too excited I had to come on and share it with you. Thanks guys. Bye.